When you pour oil into the family pan, you pour a promise. Is that promise nourishing them or emptying their vitality? Every drop of oil you use becomes part of your family's body, impacting their strength, digestion, and immunity. But most oils sold today are lifeless, extracted through heat and metal friction. Here's how to test if your oil truly carries tejas, the living warmth of nature, or just looks golden. First, the viscosity test. Pour a spoon of oil down a glass or steel wall. Then compare it with a known wood-pressed sample. Wood-pressed oil flows slowly, clings, and feels rich. Refined runs fast, thin, and watery. Wood kolhus press slowly below 50 degrees Celsius, preserving fatty acids and natural viscosity. Next, the aroma test. Warm a teaspoon of oil gently and inhale. Wood-pressed oil is earthy, raw, pungent, and alive, filling your senses. Refined or metal-pressed oil has a faint, chemical, or sometimes odorless smell. Refining and metal friction destroy volatile aromatic compounds, the very soul of mustard. Third, the taste and mouthfeel test. Touch a drop to your tongue, but do not swallow. Wood-pressed oil is slightly bitter-nutty and spreads warmth in the mouth. Refined or metal-pressed oil is flat, sharp, or neutral, lacking vitality. Only cold wood pressing retains glucosinolates and enzymes that give mustard its Ayurvedic tejas. Fourth, observe the heating behavior. Heat a spoon of oil on a low flame. Wood-pressed oil releases aroma gradually and doesn't smoke quickly. Refined or metal-pressed oil smokes early, indicating it's already oxidized. Intact antioxidants like vitamin E and tocopherols raise the true smoke point of pure oil. Fifth, the stickiness test. Rub a few drops between your fingers. Wood-pressed oil is slightly sticky, leaving a thin, nourishing film even after washing. Refined oil disappears instantly, leaving the skin dry. That gentle stickiness means the oil's natural waxes and nutrients remain unbroken. Sixth, a machine source check. Ask the maker to show how it's made. Wood kolhu, or Lakdi Ghani, uses a slow wooden crusher, a traditional process. Steel expellers are high-speed metal machines, even if labeled cold-pressed. Metal friction can raise the temperature to 120 to 150 degrees Celsius, destroying the oil's prāṇa shakti, or life energy. Finally, the energy experience, an Ayurvedic test. Cook with the oil for 1 week. Notice your digestion, heaviness, and mood. Pure wood-pressed oil makes meals lighter, more satisfying, and easier to digest, kindling your agni, or inner fire. Many cold-pressed brands use metal expellers, reducing speed but still generating heat. If the oil isn't extracted from a wooden kolhu, it's not truly wood-pressed, no matter what the label says. For your awareness, pure oil doesn't just cook food, it sustains generations. It's worth knowing what truly nourishes your family and what only pretends to. Soham wood-pressed yellow mustard oil reintroduces the age-old Lakdi Ghani method as a benchmark for purity. Made traditionally in Greater Noida by Divinity Resorts LLP, it embodies true wood-pressed excellence.